Today's learning objective will be, I will be able to create and interpret data from a stem and leaf plot. We are focusing on standards 6 SP4 and 6 SP5. So what is a stem and leaf plot? The definition, a plot where each data value is split into a leaf, which usually represents the last digit, and a stem, which represents the other digits. Extra information. The stem values are listed down, whereas the leaf values are listed next to them across. An example, 15, 16, 21, 23, 23, 26, 26, 30, 32, and 41. That is your data set. In order to put this into a stem and leaf, you need the stems to be your tens position. 1, 2, 3, 4. We put them down. In your leaf position, we go across. So 5, 6, 1, 3, 3, 6, 6, 0, 2, and 1. That means those leaves are your ones position, which is the last digit in the number. What I want you to do is write what it means in your own words. Let's try creating a stem and leaf. Let's read the problem. The heights of 11 fourth grade soccer players are, in inches, 56, 61, 61, 60, 59, 57, 58, 58, 63, 61, and 59. What we want to do is write a title for it, height in inches. Next, we need a stem column and a leaf column. What you want to do is look at your data set and find the lowest number, and then you want to locate the highest number, which in this case would be 63. We're going to look at how many numbers are in each, how many place values are in each number. We have a 1 and a tens. So in this case, our stems are going to be the tens and our leaves are going to be the ones position. What we need to do next is look at our lowest number, which is 56, and our highest number, which is 63. We need to write that in stem form. So we have our 5 stems and our 6 stems. We need to put these in numerical order. If we had to skip a place because there was a number like 82, then we would still need a 7 and then put our 8 here. Even though there was no 70 values, we'd still have to put it. Let's erase that though for now. Okay, let's get back to the problem. So our stems, we said, are the 10 positions. 6, 6, and 5. Now for the leaf positions, we have our ones. So 6, 1, 1, 0, 9, 7, 8, another 8, a 3, a 1, and a 9. Okay, so let's look at our 50s. We have 56, 59, 57, 58, 58, and 59. We need them to be in least to greatest. So our least is 56, so we're going to put a 6 there. Next we have 57, only one of those, so a 7. After that we have 58 and 58, but it's 2 times that we have it, so we need to write 2 8s. Next we have 2 59s. So again, we're going to have to do 2 9s. Now we can move on to our next stem of 6. We have 60, 61, 61, and 61. So we have to add 1 0, and since there are 3 61s, we need 3 1s. that is our stem and leaf plot. In order to check that we plotted every single number in our data set, we could count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we're missing one. Oh yes, right here, we never crossed out the 63. We knew that there had to be 11 numbers in the data set, and we only counted 10, which means that we were missing one, but now we found that it was 63. From your stem and leaf plot, we can actually interpret information such as the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Let's think about the range first. Remember, the range is the highest number minus the lowest number. So, the highest number would be the last number in our stem and leaf plot, which is 63. And we are subtracting the lowest number, which would be our first number of 56. When we subtract 63 from 56, we get 7. So that means from the lowest number in the data set to the highest number in the data set, there are 7 numbers. Next, we could talk about the mode. The mode is the number that occurs most often. So what we could do is go leaf by leaf. If we are looking at these leaves, we see that 6 is 1, 7 is 1, 8, that occurs 2 times, and 9 occurs 2 times. So far, 58 and 59 could be the mode. But let's go down to our next one. We have 0, 1, 1, 1. Ones occur 3 times. 3 is greater than these 2 that occur only 2 times. So our mode is going to be 61. Make sure that you include this stem right here. Some students often forget that they need the 6 and would just put 1 as the mode. But that is incorrect because 61 is the complete number. Next, we have the median. Remember, the median is the middle number. So that means that we are going to start from the lowest and the highest and cross off lowest and highest, lowest and highest, lowest and highest, lowest and highest. We are left with this number right here, which becomes a 59. So our median is a 59. Remember, if the data set is an even amount of numbers, you're going to get 2 middle numbers. With those 2 middle numbers, you're going to have to find the mean or the average of both of them. But since this is an odd set of numbers, we could just get the middle number. Lastly, we are going to solve the mean, which is another word for the average. The average is when you take all of the numbers in your data set, so 56, 61, 61, 60, 59, 57, 58, 58, 63, 61, and 59. You take them all up and add them. When you add it, you're going to get 653. After you add it, you need to divide by the total amount of numbers in your data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or again, you could use your stem and leaf. Sometimes the numbers aren't given to you in a problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When you take 653 and divide it by 11, you get 59.3636363636. And remember, when it keeps on repeating, you could just represent it with a bar over it. So again, you could use stem and leaf to determine the mean, median, mode, and range. This concludes our lesson on stem and leaf plots.